y'all, welcome back to our episode of Unboxing with Sophia. Mashems. So today we have frozen mashems. There are 6 figures you can get. And a mystery. So 5 and a mystery.
I want to open it.
Alright. I got scissors if we need them. You need scissors?
No. Not a little hard. No, not.
I'm just gonna do a little snip. Oh boy.
It's hard.
It is hard. Try again.
Hey.
Another snip. Nice. So who's your guys' favorite Frozen character? Who do you like the best? Oh man, who'd you get?
Not Oceania.
Not yet. So you got, who'd you get?
Leave her name.
Kristoff. Show him.
I just showed that.
Kristoff. Look how squishy. Ooh. Wow, and so stretchy.
Look at that big bubble.
Ooh, big bubble. All right. Number 2.
Okay.
Let's see who we get on this one. Who do you think the mystery is going to be?
Elsa.
Isn't Elsa on here?
Yeah.
There you go. Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, Sven, Olaf, and Mystery.
I'll put that one so
Okay.
I like.
Let's guess who the mystery one would be. Maybe Hans?
Hans.
Or maybe
And
the
then
fire guy?
what's that?
All right. Who do you think it's going to be?
Elsa.
Elsa! Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, he's not.
Look how squishy. Is she squishy? Oh, not squishy. Wow.
Oh, they did that.
Not squishy.
Okay, bye.